CNBC's Global CFO Council survey is out, and leadership bullish on an economic recovery. Frank Holland has all that for us. Hi, Frank.
Hey there, Mike. 30% of U.S. CFOs say supply chain disruptions are the biggest concern for their business today, as the country and really the entire world, they continue to adjust to the shock of COVID. But despite those challenges, the U.S. economy, it actually received the highest marks from our global CFOs. In fact, it's the only country or region seen as improving, and it's been viewed as an improving area for the past 4 quarters. Last quarter, just to put this all in context, the EU and the UK, the only other areas seen as improving, you can see those areas are now viewed as stable along with the rest of the world. But even with global economies stabilizing, of course, there's always risk. 40% of global CFOs say COVID is the biggest external risk, followed by more than a quarter saying cyber attacks and then supply chain disruptions rounding out that top 3. Perhaps surprisingly, there are fewer CFOs that see supply chain as a risk this quarter compared to Q3. And in this current environment, more than a quarter of global CFOs see tech as the sector with the biggest upside over the next 6 months. That's an improvement over Q3. Nearly as many CFOs see in the consumer discretionary sector with the biggest upside over the next 6 months. Another increase from Q3, then followed by healthcare with 17% of CFOs. And with this confidence in tech, not surprising at all that the majority of CFOs see the 10-year yield staying below 2% for the rest of the year. A third believe it'll be between 1.5% and 1.75% at the end of 2021. Over a quarter between 1.25% and under 1.5%. The rise in the speed of the 10-year yield obviously having a big impact on tech stocks and that tech forecast. Back over to you.
Yeah, Frank, well, we got that yield going up today. We'll see if that adjusts the sentiment around there. But, you know, probably a pretty good silver lining that they're seeing supply chain as a diminishing risk here.
Yeah, absolutely. I was surprised myself by this result from the CFOs. Clearly, as we reach the holiday season, a lot of us as consumers are paying more attention to supply chain and more concerned about it. But at least at the corporate level, slightly less concern.
Frank, thank you.